Hey guys, welcome to this video. This video is about a GoHighLevel landing page design. So I'm gonna talk about a junk removal landing page that I recently built. So this is a template. I'm gonna talk about this template, and if you want to buy this template, it's available on my shop, which basically you can access by going to the link in this video's description, and you can buy it from there. So once you buy that, I'll send you the snapshot. I'm going to send you all the instructions for an easy setup so you can set it up and make it ready for your use. So let's start talking about this page. I'm gonna go through each element, what I used, and what style of design I went with in this one. Let's start about the header. So in the header, as you can see, this is a pretty simple one. I've used the logo, I've used a simple call to action, and if you look at the logo, it's a custom value. Again, because this is up for sale, that's why I used custom values, but you can update the logo from here as well by clicking here and uploading your logo and selecting it, updating it there. So if we click on mobile, the header is more compact. The call to action option you're seeing, this one sticks to the bottom. What I did is I created this is basically a button, and this is in a section, and if you go to advanced, you can see the section is hidden on desktop in visibility. And what I did is I made it sticky, so it sticks to bottom on scroll. I'll show you the mobile preview so it'll make more sense. And next comes the header section with a 2-column. The first column consists of one image, and basically I just did this, and then full width, I just added a row, 2-column. So this is the first column, this is the second column holding all the other elements. I'm going to get rid of it. So the first one is an image. Make sure you use authentic images, maybe your company car, or maybe the guys doing the job at the project, the project scene, anything that's authentic. Don't use stock images, they don't work. And this section consists of the offer, a really good call out headline, we get junk, debris, and large items out. The third element I used is a text section. We serve your area, any type of junk, and then they start talking about the types of junk they remove. And then this button opens the pop-up, which has a basic form in it, and that's it. That's basically it for the most important area. That's the top section, consisting of the header and the hero section, what we call hero. Maybe it can be called top fold as well. The next section consists of a few images. This is a 3-column row. This is a 1-column row with a headline and a subheadline. We'll haul away any kind of junk. We are using really simple wordings. It's not complicated for any kind of demographic, not complicated for any kind of age level or stuff like that. So make it easy to access, easy to read for any kind of people. And then talking a bit more about the company, this one, these sections, these paragraph sections can be used to stuff more keywords, because if you are doing Google ads, you need to stuff keywords and create relevancy with the ad on the landing page. That's why we use these kinds of paragraph sections to stuff the keywords in it. And then this is a really nice call to action section with the call option, and there are a few more information sections. You need to definitely provide information like what we do, where we do it, and what time we do it. So basically what I'm doing is, throughout this really compact, really efficient page, I'm just trying to provide as many or as much information as possible, really, and ending with a really good footer with a call to action in it. So the mobile view is also really good and compact. If I show you the desktop view from the actual preview page, as you can see, this loads really fast, and this header sticks on top. And if I show you the mobile view, as you can see, this option of making a call, this element or this entire section sticks in the bottom. And that there's the offer and everything. If you want to get a free quote, just click and see the pop-up and submit it. And that's pretty much it for a really simple junk removal landing page. These types of pages work really good if you have a decent budget on Google and Facebook both. So if you want to create a page like this, it's pretty simple, guys. It's just going through section by section. You can just pause this video. Obviously I talked really fast, but you can just go through each section and see what I did here. Every section, every row, every column, every element. So this will be really simple. This is an image, and also this is an image. These are images. I didn't use any complicated element. GoHighLevel doesn't allow me to create any complicated elements to begin with, but it's good to be simple. It's good to keep it simple. So I hope this video was helpful. And again, if you want to buy this, you can do so by going to the link in the video's description. And I'll see you in the next one.